This is a short analysis of the patient on Marketplace. There was a comment about the midline being off. I'm just checking the midline, so I'm going from corner of the mouth to corner of the mouth, measuring that distance, and I found in the blow-up magnified photo the midline was only half a millimeter off center. Other midlines, I was checking the midline of the nose, and you'll find that the symmetry of the nose is always off a little bit, and I just compared the sides of her nose, found the midline, which doesn't necessarily meet the symmetry in the middle of her nose, but what it found is that the midline was only 1 millimeter off from the upper dental midline. Another midline that sometimes is looked at is the lower midline, and it's hard to tell which is the middle of the lower teeth. It could be this one or this one, and it really doesn't matter if the midline of the upper teeth matches the lower teeth. There's no proof to say that that makes the teeth last longer or anything like that. In fact, sometimes we'll actually extract one of the front teeth if there's severe crowding, and the midline will actually be in the center of one of the teeth, almost like it is here. A few cosmetic things I'd probably pick out is that the tooth on the upper right side of the patient is a little bit longer in this area, and typically they're a little bit shorter, just like this side is. So I could reshape that tooth if you wanted to get a little fussy. The canine on this side is more worn down, so when you compare it to the canine on this side, I'd probably either bond a little bit on there or just recommend a night guard to be worn so that the teeth don't wear down any further, which is typically from a night habit appliance, a night habit called bruxism, and a night appliance has a little plastic guard that helps to protect the teeth from wearing. Typically teeth don't wear down from just chewing. It's usually a bad habit. So anyway, that's my little analysis, and hopefully it gives you an idea why I felt that this patient did not need veneers to treat a midline problem.